Just getting up here to St. Joe, pulling into Silver Beach, and it is absolutely gorgeous up here. The sun is shining, fresh snow cover, and you can already see the people from here on the pier. But it is beautiful today. Thermometer says 18. Absolutely beautiful out today. Got a couple emails last night from news stations. They wanted a quick shot of St. Joe and Michigan City today. So we'll swing up here, run down to Michigan City. I don't think we got any sunshine down in Michigan City yet. We got some open water here to look at. We got some north wind, so all the ice looks like it's down to Michigan City, down that southern tip. Oh, gorgeous out here. That lighthouse is absolutely covered. Day to get out here and get some footage. Sorry, didn't mean to get them in the picture. Alright, we're gonna grab the drone here. Get everything going.